Skinning simply sets the appearance of the video playback controls. Macromedia was nice enough to give us a whole selection of preset skins, and we can choose from them here in the drop-down list. These are organized by name, with each name starting with the appearance of the skin, then whether the controls are set on top or over the video, or outside it, which is external, and finally, which controls are included. If we choose none at the top, then no controls are added. At the other end, we can create and specify our own custom skin. Notice that skins come in SWF files or SWF files. So if you're using anything other than the preset skins, you'll need to publish it as an SWF and upload it with the main movie. Drop in the relative path from the main movie to the custom skin file here. And that's it. Let's hit next. And that's it. If you're happy with all of your settings, hit finish and the video will be encoded. Be aware at this point that encoding takes a pile of processing power, and it may take a very long time. Maybe time to go get a coffee. When it's done, you'll see a placeholder for your video and the control skin. This is all contained in an FLV playback component. And you'll notice that an FLV file has been exported and will be sitting in the same folder as your working Flash file. Remember to upload this file with your Flash movie when you're ready to show the world, because it now contains your video. So from here we can set a few more options. We're only going for an overview though, because as you'll see, a complete analysis of all the settings for this is beyond the scope of this course. To look at our options, we're going to use the Parameters panel and the Component Inspector panel under Window and Component Inspector. Here in the Parameters panel, we can control a few things. Whether the video auto-plays or must be manually started by the viewer, whether it stays at the end after it's done or rewinds, and a whole pile of other things. To change one, grab the drop-down list in the right half. Some of these are simple true or false options, but others, like the content path, let us change the path to the FLV file. Or we can manage our cue points. Spend some time getting used to these, and also the options in the Component Inspector panel. If we set an instance name for this component, we can now use the Bindings tab to let this interact with other areas of our Flash movie. Of course, if we don't set the instance name, Flash will tell us that we need an instance name. And that's it for this section of the course on video. Let's move on to the next one.